Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Matthew on the bottom, Bailey on top. And 2 packs of spot.
All right, we have the Lost Vikings, Widowmaker. Okay, we've channeled some of the good ones. We have BlizzCon, which is 2013. Alex Straza, Sarah Kerrigan, and Mephisto. Baptiste. Arthur's Menethil. We have our first cube card, Oreo. Another Alex Straza in the rare. Thrall and Voyant Darkspear. We ordered 4 boxes of this? Oh my god. Trust. Just got back from shopping. Oh, did you manage to pick up anything good? Best place to get cards graded. That is not my specialty. You may need to ask someone else. Molferon, Stormrage. Oh, we have a Zerg, War Banners. Ooh, we have a 17 of 99 Illidan. Little sparkle. Give me Overwatch. Yeah, look, we're not doing that so well so far. And a Anden Wern. And Illyria Windrunner. Lunara. Cassia. Arana Starseeker. Rakeno and Adria. I'm sorry, you asked for Overwatch and you didn't get a single Overwatch card. Oh no. Oh no. Just looking for some wrapping paper. A special wrap, couldn't find it, so I settled. That's fair. I'm waiting for the EB Games like easy ones to go on sale. Cause they had some really cute like Pokemon ones last year. There's our Diva right on either side. We have Zagara, our next cube, which is gone. Nezul, Phoenix, and Vala. Thank you, that's all good. Jaina Proudmore, Junkrat. We have Sigma Maestro emote. Okay, that's a pretty cool one. We have Zeratul, Butcher, and Grommash, Hellscream. Oh, our first Hearthstone little book opening one. And Malthael? Malthael? Words. Blackthorn, Alexstrasza, Khadgar. Oh, that one looks really cool in the silver. Anduin Wern, Nezul, and Deathwing. Hanzo, Roadhog, another cube, which is Leah, Deathwing, Nashta, and Siege Tank. Does everyone play Overwatch? I play Overwatch. And we have another book, Hearthstone card, and Zojin. I sort of left it for a while. Whichever season it was that had the Junker Queen mythic skin, I think like the Greek season, it was like Zeus Junker Queen. I left my battle pass right till the end, and I needed the Junker Queen skin because that was why I bought the battle pass. But I left it all to the end, and so I had to like force myself to play Overwatch and play a ridiculous amount of Overwatch until I got the Junker Queen skin. And I just kind of had to give myself a break for a few months because I very much like out Overwatched myself. But I'm slowly getting back into it. I have Kil'jaeden, Protoss Warbanners, Anduin Lothar, Zealot. Should get a group happening, hell yeah! Hanzo Shimada, Rock and Roll Racing, another Rock and Roll Racing in the silver, Blackthorn, Lyric, and Deckard Cain. Mecha Jaraxius, Arana Starseeker, another cube, Diablo, Blackthorn, Tyrell, and Stalker. Rengar Earth Fury, Doomfist, Winton Ultimate Ready, Ziltan Kill, Denath Trollsbane, and Diablo. Bastion, The Lost Vikings, Art of Samwise Zealot, Torbjorn Marine, and Kargath Bladefist. I'll only chill until you guys tell me to play Sicko Mode. Are you that good? We have Torbjorn and Worm. We have another cube, Adria, Dark Wanderer, Mal'Ganis, and Dark Wanderer. Myrddin Bronzebeard, Tyrande Wispwind, another cube, Zoltan Kuhl, Mecha Jaraxxus, Jaina Proudmoore, and Egwene. Don't want a two-man horde, but you guys got up to master. Who do you main? Or like, what position do you main? Or just everything? Oh, we have a patch notes for, that's World of Warcraft. Oh, hell yeah. Oh no, Warcraft 3. Sorry. To ignore my uncultured. But no, I love these patch notes cards. They're very cool. Like two-dimensional. Well, no, three-dimensional. I know, geometry. And Zenyatta Ultimate Ready. Everything but preferably damaged. That's fair. We have Soldier 76, Bronzebeard, Bastion Ultimate Ready, Diablo, Asmodon, Yarian Reet, Retro Arcade Collection, Sombra, Kalthes the Sunstrider, Mecha Jaraxius, Adept, and Hellbat. And that's the end of the break.